Namaskar, Jai Hind. I am again with you in continuation with our previous lecture. Sometimes we encounter problems which are not straightforward or simple, as we can see in this question, where the examiner is not asking us to calculate the arithmetic mean of this question. In fact, they have already given us the arithmetic mean for this question. But what they have not given is the mean salary for these 5 employees. See, 20,000 is the mean salary of these 6 employees, and 8 employees, they are getting 24,000 as their mean average salary. 6 employees are getting 35,000 as their average salary, and so on. But these 5 employees, what average salary they are getting, we do not know. Neither they have mentioned. We need to find out that. So to do so, we will convert this question into this form. X is the average mean salary and F is the frequency, means number of employees who are getting these salary correspondingly, right? So let us assume A as the average salary which these 5 employees are getting. So we are using direct method here, and if you remember the formula of direct method, we need to calculate the summation fx. So for that we need to calculate the fx first. This is f multiplied by x. So in this way we are going to multiply all the values here. This will be 5a. So when we'll sum up all these values, summation fx is equal to 1715,000 plus 5a, which means 17,15,000 plus 5a. Now put all these value into the formula. So mean value we know because they have given us the mean salary of all the employees. So that is 37,200. Put it here. 37,200 is the mean salary which all the employees are getting, is equal to divided by the frequency. So frequency is, total frequency is 50, means the value of n is 50 divided by n, which is 50. So now we are going to solve it. We will cross multiply it. 37,200 multiplied by 50 is equal to this, is equal to this value, and when this particular value will shift to this side, the sign will change and the value will be 1861234 minus 1715123 is equal to 5a. Now the value is 1,45,000 is equal to 5a, and when we'll further solve it, the value of a is 29,000. So what we can say is that these 5 employees are getting 29,000 as their average salary. With that, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.